I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing 3 to 5 focus seed terms that match your channel's niche and viewer intent. Open TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer and paste a seed. You'll immediately see search volume, competition, and related queries. Once done, scan for terms with steady monthly searches and competition lower than the niche median so you don't chase impossible rankings. Make sure to export or save promising keywords into a list so you can test titles and tags in the next step. Now you refine by intent and long-tail opportunities. Use TubeBuddy to expand each seed into long-tail variations and prioritize phrases that show clear viewer intent, tutorial, review, or how-to. Then compare the keyword score, optimization strength, and 90-day search trend. Higher trend with moderate score wins. Once you identify contenders, inspect top-ranking videos directly. Note thumbnail styles, title structure, and engagement signals so you can craft a better title, description, and tag set to outrank them. Finish by implementing your primary keyword in the title, first tag, and opening of the description. This signals relevance to YouTube's algorithm. Then use TubeBuddy's /B testing for thumbnails and titles to measure CTR improvements over several days. Make sure to monitor impressions, click-through rate, and average view duration so you can iterate. If the video underperforms, troubleshoot by rechecking the 90-day trend, swapping to a closer long-tail variant, and improving the first 50.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.